All right then. So we've had a look at what 3/4, what the 3/4 time signature is, and like the 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Let's see how we can do that in Logic. So open up Logic Pro. I'm just doing this now with, okay, so file, new project. I haven't got a keyboard or anything. I'm just going to use the inbuilt keyboard. If I go to software instrument, yeah, and pick your sampler. If you've got an older version of Logic, it'll be called the EXS24 sampler. That's fine. Just click on your sampler to get that one up and create that channel. Now, get rid of that. You don't need it. Whichever box pops up for you, you don't need it. Most important thing, first of all, let's change it to 4 2 3 4. So up here it says 4 4 up there. We're going to just click that on 3 4. Bang, it's done. And you'll notice the gaps in between have now gone to 3 because there's 3 spaces in each bar going across there. Okay, let me just shorten that a sec. Okay, what am I going to do? Let's have a look up here. So I've got my sampler. If you open this library by here, I'm going to go on drum kit. I'm going to go on electronic drum kit. Why not? You got loads by there. 808 flex. Let's try that. Bang. Okay, I'm just getting up a keyboard, which is Command K if you haven't got a MIDI keyboard to plug in, which would be a lot better, but let's just do a quick start. And this pops up. So let's have a look. Make sure your blue thing by here is on C1, octave C1. That's where the nicer drums normally are. And let's just hear what we got. I've got a mad delay between pressing it and the sound happening, but I can deal with that. I'm a professional. What have we got then? Ooh. I'll have some of that. I'm looking for a kick, hi-hat, and a clap. Something like that is what it's going to sound like. I'm going to up the tempo a little bit. Let's have it at 140. Okay. I need my metronome up here. Turn that on so I've got something to play along with. It's going to give me a 3 count in this time because we're dealing in 3/4 time. Normally it'd be 1 2 3 4 go. Now it's 3 1 2 3 go. This will be quite tricky. Some of you will find it easier than others. It can be quite tricky. I'll probably mess it up now, but let's see how we go. What were my things again? F, T, and E. It's basically what I'm trying to do, but I've got a delay on my keyboard, just so you know. Okay. Okay. Let's see how we've done with that. Get my keyboard out of the way, press Command K. I'm going to double click on this now. Where are we? All over the place. Not a problem. I'm going to go up here and quantize it. So if I click on where it says region, little drop down menu, quantize is off. I'm going to put that on. Well, that's probably like the worst time, bro. I'm just going to have to decline that, Dan. Right. I'm going to put that to, let's say, quarter notes and see where they fall when I adjust it. Quarter notes. Yeah, that's where I want them. They're all bang on. So remember, take my metronome off because I don't want that playing in the background. Have a little listen. What have we got? Lovely. I'm all right. I'm happy with that. Okay. Should we chuck in something else just for the fun of it? Right. I'm going to duplicate this channel, get another sampler. Exactly the same thing. What other sounds have I got? If I get rid of this, Command K up, what have we got here? Let's find something funky up in the top end. Nothing up there. Down here. Ooh. Can't tell which one's ringing there. Was it a W or the E? It's a bit too long in it. Last a whole bar that would. Nah, it's not the circus, bruv. Ooh. I can't help myself. That's just going straight in, like straight in. Just on the one that's going. You ready? Okay, right. So I now need to double click on there, make sure this is in the right place. Command K, get it bang on the line. Oh, that's so hard. get rid of that, and it's going to clash with this one. I know it is, so I'm just going to take that first one out of that channel. Right, see what we got. Oh, and let's chuck it. Right, so, and get rid of that one as well. And I'm just going to copy this over to there like that. Woo! Yeah. It's quite fun. That's how you do it in 3/4. Basically, up here, you switch it from 4/4 to 3/4, and you've just got to adjust your head out of the 4/4 space into the 3/4 space. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Boom, boom, yeah? All right. I believe in you. You can do it.